here's your Cleveland engine. Just got done down on it. Everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the trick flow seat heads on it, Scorpion roller rockers, hydraulic roller motor. It's got Edelbrock air gap on it. Custom J&E pistons. It's got a quick fuel SS 750 MSD Pro Billet. We'll go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,476 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 509. Stacks a bunch of 500s there. Pretty nice. And it peaks power 506. So we rate this actually at 450. So we've upgraded it with the CNC cylinder heads on it, and obviously run a lot better. So we'll go out now, pull the pipes back, rev it up, make sure it's good and clean, get it in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.